Hey, it's Charlie from Simple Machines, and today we're going to walk through a more internal use case for AI chatbots, which is using it as a manager tool. So imagine you're a manager of a sales team. They are regularly slacking you questions about pricing, contract terms, whatever the case might be. You could respond to all those slacks. That would be time consuming, and you're also sort of training them to just rely on you for answers to things that probably already exist somewhere in your wiki or knowledge base articles. So instead, something we've been helping clients with is setting up an internal bot that sort of acts as a first stop to provide those types of answers and help streamline things. So here's an example of one actually we built for ourselves for our own AI chatbots to help provide us with answers about them. So let's say I am selling a bot and I'm wondering, can I use the bot to train my sales team? So I can go ahead and put that in, assuming all of this information is live in your documentation that you fed it. You'll get the real-time answers, and you'll see it's also going to remind me that, oh, there is a sales FAQ. So it's kind of training me to remember that those sources exist and I can go find them. How is this better than a custom GPT? So again, assuming you've got this information, I can get the real-time responses with pretty robust talking points. And look, it's even got, here's a comparison that I can grab and use for that sales opportunity. So as you can see, this solves a few different issues. It frees up time for the manager. It gets real-time answers to the sales team. And it's also helping guide and train them to start using the resources that already exist. So we've been building a lot of these. We'll include the link to learn more in the video. Thanks.